Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how you guys can fix the Xbox error code. The Xbox will not update, there was a problem with the update. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go over to the home page, and you can do this by clicking on the Xbox logo on your controller. Head over to profile and system, and then you're going to scroll down until you see sign out. So I recommend signing out of your account and then signing back in to check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is heading over to settings. From settings, scrolling down until you see accounts, and then going to remove accounts. And then again, you just add your account back in. Once you do that, the third method I recommend you guys doing is heading over to general, heading over to network settings, and then from network settings, scrolling down until you see advanced settings. From advanced setting, you're going to choose the primary and DNS setting option. Basically, from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on primary DNS, and you're going to change it to 8.8.8.8, and you're going to change the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now, once you go ahead and do that, you should be good to go, and that is it for the video. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.